Hola! My name is Jennifer Robin Lee, and welcome to the Move to Mexico Guide. Yeah, so going to Mexico, they have like so many cultural traditions. A big one that's known around the world is the Day of the Dead. And it's not just one day, it's three. It's like October 31st, Halloween, November 1st, and November 2nd. Each day is to commemorate a family member or somebody you love that you've lost. And so people will go to the cemeteries, clean them up, tidy them up, put out new flowers, and put out offerings. And they'll even have an altar at their home where it's like covered in marigold petals, sugar skulls, everything's so vibrant and decorated. There's candles, and you'd put a picture of your loved one so that you remember them and you don't ever, like, that's the thing, you don't want to forget your loved ones because Mexicans value their family and they appreciate where they came from. So that cultural tradition is just my favorite. I think that's wonderful. And outside, it's like for weeks, even the whole month, you can go around and see art in the streets that like maybe colored sand art where somebody's like made delicate designs out of sand. And yeah, it's just amazing. Everywhere you go, and there's shows and parades. Oh, Mexico City is amazing for Day of the Dead. And you can go trick-or-treating with your kids on one day, but you would typically go to the shops. You wouldn't go house to house necessarily. When we did Halloween one year, we were actually going trick-or-treating with my landlord's kids. They also were like my family. Like we could just drop in and have coffee, and they invited us over all the time. And I was practicing my Spanish and she was practicing her English. So we just, even though we didn't understand each other completely, it was that there was still that feeling of, connection, and it was just a really enjoyable family to be around. And when we showed up, I had already dressed up my son as Woody from Toy Story, and he was like 4 years old, I think. And they were like laughing at me because they're like, no, you can't have like Disney characters. And, this isn't like this kind of holiday. They need to be like dead creatures or creatures for Day of the Dead. So they have to be like the devil or a witch or something that is scary. So what they did was they, doctored his face up, put like cracks and black cheeks and black eyes. He was all like sick, dead Woody. It was pretty cute. It was so funny. And then the two little girls that he went with were twins, and they were both dressed up as the devil. So it was, yeah.